They're looking for somebody.
Helicopter's looking for him. I just counted 8 cops. That was just going on the freeway.
See, I told you you could randomly run into stuff. Wait. Uh-oh, this is going to be difficult. Okay, looks like they have a roadblock right there. Just ahead. And then right here are the cops. And then right here another roadblock or checkpoint. And there it is, it's still there. The helicopter. Oh shit, another helicopter. A bit of a traffic jam. And there's more cops up here. Yeah, they got the whole place locked down. So basically I was doing a video of Golden West College and the abandoned Westminster Mall, and I stumbled upon this. Ooh, did you guys catch him yet?
I'm sorry?
Did you guys catch him yet?
Yes, sir. I think everybody's caught, yeah, man.
They're at large.
How many cameras you got, dude?
I got this Amazon body cam that has 8 hours, and this is for high quality.
Which one's running right now?
Both of them, I just turned it on. I was doing Golden West College, and then I just stumbled upon this.
What were you doing at Golden West College?
Just filming it.
Oh, yeah? That's cool, man.
Yeah.
Right on, dude.
Wow, that's a lot of cops.
Yeah.
Have a good one. Fire truck and ambulance. That means somebody got hurt and then there's a suspect at large or something. Or I don't know, maybe the suspect got hurt. Probably hear about it on the news later. Yeah, let's see where the fire truck's going. Yeah, I don't get it. The fire truck's going far away. Look. See right there when I talk to the cops, they have a backpack. A suspicious backpack right there, but I don't know if that has anything to do with it. They either caught him or he's hiding somewhere sweating. Yeah, I don't know where the fire trucks are going, but they keep coming here, then leaving the area. asked the cops, but they wouldn't say. It looks like they're looking for somebody and somebody's hurt because they got the fire truck, the ambulance. They were looking at a suspicious backpack over there, but I don't think it was anything.
Was that the car that was involved with the accident?
No, I think it's like a suspect. Because look, there's all these cops over there. They were staring at a suspicious backpack. The helicopter's been rotating for like 20 minutes. I think some guy's hiding somewhere.
I saw a couple of ambulances drive off.
Yep.
So there must have been injuries somewhere.
Somebody probably shot somebody. Now he's at large.
It's scary stuff.
Yep, you never know what you're gonna run into. Yeah, look, the ambulance is driving off now. So I don't know if they actually caught him. But you can tell something serious happened to bring all these cops here.